Today I'm reviewing a new WordPress revolution named as Speedler. This is a WordPress enhancer which we will discuss one by one. This is SPR Static Technology Conversion, which converts your dynamic WordPress site into static, which will load very fast. You may be aware that Google doesn't rank any site which works slow, and there are very uh, few sites which can load very fast, but WordPress sites are known not to load very fast because of so many problems in that. This is the thing they have done, and which will help you immensely for your product and your commissions. So this technology, as I have already told you, you can see static conversion technology. It will increase your speed dramatically very high. Then it will protect against all WordPress security holes, and advanced DOS attack protections are also available inside. What are you getting? Inbuilt lightning fast web hosting for converted clones of your sites and affiliate pages with content delivered directly from 200 locations in 90 countries around the world. And you don't have to do anything. Only you have to go for this conversion technology and generate a speedily clone of WordPress pages, and everything is done for you. What are you getting? More lead sales and affiliate commission and higher Google ranking. Team member have been developing this software for helping the people, and they have ultimately done it. So you take advantage of this new software to skywrite your business. When somebody hacks your site, you will get 404 error. But in this case, even if you initially you will think that it is 40, you just press click and it will again your site will be shown, so that you are in fact losing nothing. Problem comes because of uh, many WordPress hosting site. This is a recurring problem, and this has a this has already overcome in this. So you get full WordPress without its flaws. If you are making a WordPress site, it is very easy to make. Whereas if you want uh, to give it to somebody else without WordPress, it will cost you a lot. Maybe uh, 50 to 100 times more than WordPress cost. It is in cheaper version, and you get full benefit of a non-WordPress site. They have done testing and they find that Cloudflare Web Performance Company reported that speeding pages load from 5.7 seconds to 3.3 seconds. The sale conversion increased by about 250%. Means that speeding up pages by just 2.4 seconds with all other factors being unchanged, the website case study produces 2.5 times more sales. It is mind blowing, isn't it? And the study shows that top four SEO UX signals are page speed dependent. So Google can dramatically lower ranking of your page when it is slow. You have probably asked yourself in the past why WordPress powered pages are so slow. So this answer has been given. Once you start using, you will find everything very fast. Now let us see it when your WordPress site slows down or crawls or it goes down. Because of this fact, most the typical shared database are served shared as well. It takes a lot of time to get information from database, and that is the reason your earning goes down. So everything has been overcome in this particular product. This happens with other sites also, but once you have started using this static which converted to static, everything will be resolved. Your speed, your conversion, everything will be very fast, and you will be amazed to know because they have already done all these things. And static pages are fast and unshakable. They are also very hard to make, and updating them is typically hard to slow process. That means very while effort are related to manually making static pages is acceptable, but if it comes to sales pages, it is not acceptable or blog post web pages which needs update. So how the problem is solved? Speedler fixes the problem once and for all for SPR static conversion technology. With Speedler, you can keep using your WordPress like you always did and let Speedler take care of both delivering your pages to viewers at lightning speed and secure them against all WordPress security holes. Lightning pages allow you to get more leads, sales, and affiliate commission with Speedler doing all the heavy lifting for you. Beauty of this system is that these pages deliver directly from 200 locations in 90 countries around the world. So all these WordPress security problems are solved, and then you have got web hosting which can be seen from 200 location in 93 countries. So you can imagine your business will be how fast and how impressive and very lucrative to do with commissioning. It automatically creates a separate mobile version of your pages. Viewers on phone drop off even faster when page loads slowly. So that's where you lose money. But now it can be stopped using this software. You can speed up your cloud affiliate pages as well. So when affiliate pages you are using and there is little problem, it will slow down and you will lose money. Not with this Speedler. Now this product will take care of everything and you are in good hands. Your web pages perform even under traffic spikes or under customized cloud-based affiliate pages. The app must first read the page, customize like your affiliate link from database, and only after that it can render app pages for displays. Similarly, traffic spike performs problem exists with cloud affiliate pages also because of thousands of people share the same app. It means traffic spike from one of the numerous users can slow your pages to crawl and even take it down completely. Not with Speedler anymore. It will be simply fast as uh, loading and continuously watching. It has advanced DDoS attack protection. It means distributed denial of service attack, which it is in layman terms means that your website is not able to keep up with the lot of fake traffic with attackers send them to your website. So it goes down and stays down until the attack ends. No matter the types of DDoS attack, Spidler will block them fast, and Spidler uses industry-leading DDoS protection service provider which combines multiple data attack mitigation capability into one. It also prevents problem caused by bad traffic while allowing good traffic through keeping your web page producing leads, sales, and affiliate commission. In other words, Speedler prevents you losses related to DDoS attack. Now, what you have to do, just paste the link to your web page and click a button. So these two steps will command Speedler to fire up SPR static conversion to tech, and then in no time you will have lightning fast Speedler hosted clones of your web pages. While there are only two steps, but what Speedler does actually behind the curtain will go to link simulate a web browser so your page is rendered exactly same for people viewing your page. Then Speedler downloads your page into cloud server and fires up SPR static conversion tech. In this first step, SPR tech processes everything that on the page and then processes static version of your page's asset, including all images on lightning fast hosting. In step 2, Speedler Tech takes that page resizing all images for mobile viewing, creating a separate mobile version of your page. Now let us discuss the upgrades for this. The Speedler Pro upgrade, which will cost you $47. This will uh, this has two advantages. One, you can have 10 times more sites you can use with this. And then you can use your own private domains also. In pro version, in basic version, you can use only their domain as their subdomain, whereas in pro upgrade you can use your own domain as well as your own subdomains. And then number two is global upgrade, which will cost you just $27. There, this is very big advantage. Reason being, if your site is seen by any other place where English is not the native language, they will convert everything to that language, which is a really unique thing which this product has come up, so that you don't lose anything. And obviously, in a country like China and other, where they don't speak English, but and if they find something is shown in their own language, they will definitely go for it. Even countries where they speak English, uh, major, but there are many part they don't speak English, and it will be shown in their language there also. And the third one is that upgrade, which will cost you 67. You can use this agency license to convert everything, this entire product in your name and sell it by them. There is one more upgrade, Pick Video Borg, which will cost you $27. Now let us check the bonuses I am offering. This is access to SMC traffic training, then Dono's email marketing course, and how to explode your SEO bonus, and then massive traffic to your speed lead site using this bonus. So these bonuses are very unique, and total cost of these bonus, if you want to buy, is over $2,200. So take advantage of my bonuses and this product. Product comes with 30 days money back guarantee. Just raise a ticket on support desk and all your uh, payment will be fully refunded. These are the two varieties in you will find. One is personal and other is commercial, which I have already discussed, costing $24 and $27 respectively. Now, friends, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below to get this awesome product and my awesome uh, bonuses also. And you are very good to go for your financial freedom very fast. Take care. Good day.